Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you how to manage multiple accounts on a single 1688 app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get all right. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 app. The next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your profile. The next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your profile. It's going to take you right here. For you to add a multiple account to your 1688 account, what you need to do is to click on this icon right here from the top. Click on the setting icon right here. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here. Once you click on this plus sign right here, you have to log in to a new account. So click on this plus sign right here. Once you click on that, then you will be asked to log. So it's going to take you right here. You can go ahead and log in with your username and password, or better still, click on here to create a new account right here. Once you are done, the account will be successfully added to your current account. Then you can switch from one account to another account with your 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use your 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.